Hello dear fans. What compounds are organic? Compounds of carbon with other chemical elements are called organic, and the science that studies the laws of their transformations is called organic chemistry. The number of studied organic compounds exceeds 10 million. This diversity is due to the peculiarities of the carbon atoms themselves. Instructions. Step 1. One of the most important features of carbon atoms is their ability to form strong bonds with each other. Because of this, molecules that contain chains of carbon atoms are stable under normal conditions. Step 2. The study of organic compounds using X-rays showed that the carbon atoms in them are located not on one straight line, but in a zigzag pattern. The fact is that the four valences of the carbon atom are directed in a certain way in relation to each other. Their mutual arrangement corresponds to the lines emanating from the center of the tetrahedron and going to its corners. Step 3. Not all carbon compounds are considered organic. For example, carbon dioxide, hydrocyanic acid, and carbon disulfide are traditionally referred to as inorganic. It is generally accepted that methane is the prototype of organic compounds. Step 4. In the molecules of organic compounds, the chains of carbon atoms can be both open and closed. Derivatives of the first type are called open-chain compounds, while others are called cyclic. Step 5. Hydrocarbons are compounds of only carbon and hydrogen atoms, all of which form rows. In them, each subsequent member can be produced from the previous one by adding one group. Such series are called homologous. They are distinguished from each other by the first term. For example, hydrocarbons belonging to the homologous series of methane are its homologs. Step 6. Members of the same homologous series are chemically similar to each other. For example, homologs of methane are characterized by the same reactions as for itself. The differences are only in the ease of their occurrence. Step 7. The physical constants of homologs change quite regularly. For the homologous series of methane, an increase in molecular weight is accompanied by an increase in the boiling point and melting point. Similar patterns, as a rule, are retained for other series. However, in relation to densities, they sometimes have the opposite character. Step 8. One of the most important features of organic reactions is that the overwhelming majority of organic compounds do not undergo electrolytic dissociation. The reason is the low polarity of the bonds, since the valence bonds of carbon with hydrogen and various metalloids are close in strength to each other. Outwardly, this manifests itself in the relatively low boiling and melting temperatures of most organic substances. Step 9. Another feature is that the time required for the completion of reactions between organic compounds is often measured not in seconds or minutes, but in hours, while the reactions proceed at a noticeable rate only at elevated temperatures and, as a rule, do not reach the end. Thanks for watching.